Seniors, just one daily habit to restore muscle strength like you're 40 again. Welcome everyone. Did you know that by the time you hit 80, you could lose up to half of the muscle you had in your younger years? It's a sneaky condition called sarcopenia, and it's quietly affecting over 50 million seniors worldwide. Every year, more than 300,000 of us end up in the hospital from falls tied to weak muscles. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that way. I'm your name, and today I'm sharing 7 science-backed habits that can help you restore your muscle strength, like you're 40 again. Stick with me to the end because the first habit might just be something you're getting wrong every single day. Before we dive in, drop a comment below and let me know where you're tuning in from. I'd love to hear from you. Transition, cheerful animation of seniors hiking, lifting weights, and smiling. Now here's what's exciting. Muscle loss isn't a done deal. There's a group of incredible seniors, scientists call them superagers, who keep the strength, stamina, and even the look of people decades younger. They're out there hiking, playing sports, and living independently well into their 90s. So what's their secret? Let's break it down with 7 habits you can start today. Yes, you, no matter your age. Habit 7. Embrace a little stress, the hormetic way. Let's kick things off with something that might sound a little wild. Stress. But not the bad kind. Scientists call these hormetic stressors, short bursts of challenge that actually make your muscles stronger. Think of it like giving your body a wake-up call. Superagers in their 80s do this all the time and it works wonders. Here's how you can try it. Cold showers. Finish your shower with 30 to 60 seconds of cold water. It fires up your brown fat, boosts energy in your cells, and protects your muscles from breaking down. Sauna time. A hot bath or sauna session activates heat shock proteins that repair your muscles. A study from Finland found that people using saunas 4 to 7 times a week lost 40% less muscle over 10 years. Skip a meal. Smartly try eating all your meals within an 8 to 10 hour window, like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. This intermittent fasting cleans up damaged cells and can boost muscle quality by 10% in just 12 weeks. Push hard, briefly. Press against a wall or pull a heavy door for 5 to 10 seconds as hard as you can. These quick, isometric bursts signal your muscles to stay strong without wearing you out. The trick? Keep it short and give yourself plenty of rest afterward. It's like flipping a switch to turn on your longevity genes. Habit 6. Time your protein like a pro. You've probably heard protein is key for muscles, and it is. But here's the catch, it's not just how much you eat, it's when you eat it. As we age, our bodies get a bit stubborn about using protein, a thing called anabolic resistance. Many seniors pile it all into dinner, but that's a missed opportunity. Research from the Journal of Nutrition says you should spread it out. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, swap the toast for eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Lunch and dinner, go for lean meats, fish, or plant-based options like beans and lentils. In a 12-week study from the University of Texas, seniors who did this gained 1.2 pounds of muscle. No extra workouts needed. So, time it right and watch your muscles thrive. Habit 5. Boost your vitamin D, the muscle vitamin. Did you know over 80% of us seniors are low on vitamin D? It's called the muscle vitamin, for a reason. It's not just for bones, it switches on genes that build and grow your muscles. A study in JAMA Internal Medicine found that seniors with optimal vitamin D had 25% more strength, better balance, and fewer falls. Superagers keep their levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter, while most of us hover below 20, way too low. Here's how to fix it. Sunlight. Get 15 to 20 minutes of midday sun when you can, though our skin makes less as we age. Food. Eat fatty fish, egg yolks, or fortified milk. Supplements. The usual 600 IU a day isn't enough. Studies say 2,000 to 4,000 IU is better. Check with your doctor to test your levels. Bonus tip. Pair it with vitamin K2 from fermented foods like yogurt, to keep calcium in your bones, not your arteries. Get this right and your muscles will thank you. Habit 4. Tame inflammation, the silent muscle thief. Here's a sneaky villain, inflammation. Scientists call it inflammaging, and it's breaking down your muscles faster than you can build them. Superagers? They've got this under control with low inflammation levels. A Tufts University study showed seniors with high inflammation lost muscle 3 times faster. So let's fight back. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours in a dark room. Poor sleep can spike inflammation by 40%. Feed your gut. Eat 30+ plant foods a week. Think fiber-rich veggies, plus yogurt or sauerkraut for probiotics. Move smart. Walk or do gentle exercise most days with a short burst of intensity once or twice a week. Anti-inflammatory helpers. Add 2 to 3 grams of omega-3s from fish or supplements, turmeric and polyphenol-rich foods like berries and olive oil. This combo cuts inflammation by 29% in 12 weeks. Ask your doctor for a simple blood test. Keep your CRP levels under 1 mg per liter, and you're golden. Habit 3. Power up with targeted nutrients. Protein's great, but it needs backup. Superagers don't just eat right, they zero in on micronutrients that turbocharge muscle health. Here's what to focus on. Magnesium. Over 70% of us lack it, yet it's key for 300 muscle reactions. Eat nuts, leafy greens, or dark chocolate. Studies show it boosts grip strength by 30%. Creatine, not just for bodybuilders. 3 to 5 grams a day UPS muscle mass, strength, and brain power. B12. Go for methylcobalamin, the active form. It fights fatigue and nerve issues. Zinc, selenium, chromium. These little guys keep nutrients flowing to your muscles. Get a micronutrient test to see what you need. No guesswork, just results. Habit 2. Strengthen your nerve-muscle connection. Muscle loss isn't just about muscles. It starts with the wires connecting them to your brain, your neuromuscular junctions. After 60, these outlets wear out, but superagers keep them humming. Move with purpose. Try Tai Chi, dance, or ping pong, activities that boost coordination. A 2020 study showed a 31% improvement in nerve muscle links. Nerve boosters. Alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl-L-carnitine protect these connections. Breathe deep. Do box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, for 5 minutes a day. It amps muscle activation by 15%. Keep those wires strong and your muscles will follow. Habit 1. Lift smart with progressive resistance. Here's the big one, the habit that sets superagers apart. Progressive resistance training. It's the ultimate anti-aging trick, says Tufts University. Forget endless walking or light weights, your muscles need a challenge. Here's the plan. Go hard, briefly, lift until you can't do one more rep, twice a week is enough. McMaster University found this beats moderate workouts 5 days a week. Big moves, squats, presses, rows, adapt them to your mobility. They spark a hormone boost. Level up, add a little weight or difficulty over time. No plateaus here. Slow down. Lower weights slowly, it builds strength with less joint stress. In 12 weeks, 70-year-olds gain 3.3 pounds of muscle and 35% more strength, plus better blood sugar and bones. Start with a pro to get the form right, and 2 30-minute sessions a week can change everything. Closing, your turn to shine. There you have it, 7 habits to keep your muscles strong, your independence intact, and your spirit soaring. Whether it's a cold shower, a protein-packed breakfast, or lifting a little heavier, you can start today. Pick the easiest one for you and build from there. These small steps will pay off big time in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. So, tell me in the comments, which habit are you trying first? Did any surprise you? And do you know a superager in their 80s who's still crushing it? I can't wait to read your stories. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip to age stronger. Thanks for watching. Let's keep thriving together.